Alright, so we're out here at we're in front of Burger King. We just bought the new chicken Cheeto fries, and we're about to give them my honest review. Okay, let's do it to it. See you guys when we're back.
Slamming.
Alright, so here's the first look. How does it smell?
Alright. Precision.
Alright.
It looks like a...
Okay guys, this is me.
Alright.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Trash.
Why does everyone think that I need a leash? I'm a dog, baby, and
Go, run the stop. Sure, I'll be right. We're going to Hollywood City. No ball.
Oh my god, bro!
Right, right, stop sign! What the fuck?
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
OMG.
Dude, if I find the mask I wanted last year, I'm gonna fucking buy that shit in a heartbeat.
Bro, what the fuck you doing, bro?
Oh my god, what?
Fucking smoke.
Hey guys, Serge here, back with another food review. Now today we're reviewing the jumbo popcorn chicken here, and I got my good friend Joe here to help me review it. Alright, so what we got here is like, got a little tiny popcorn chicken, which is kind of like weird because it's called jumbo for a reason. It's a little jumbo to me, but I'm not gonna not get points for that. Alright, let's get into it.
Slam.
Hey, that's pretty good.
What do you rate it, sir?
Would I rate it? I would definitely recommend somebody who doesn't know what to get on Sonic. Jumbo popcorn chicken, it's pretty good. No lie. I give it a 5 out of 5. Would recommend. Thanks guys for watching. This is Serge Food Review. Signing off.
BANN.
For BAN. Signing off.
Liquor in my hand, orange juice by the other. Driving with no hands, roll it up, stutter. Blunts and bread, smoky, yo, we spinning bread and butter.
What's up YouTube? This is my new car here. Oh shit. I want to thank all my viewers for subscriptions and the views. Thank you. I spent your money wise. Alright, so here we got ourselves the steering wheel. It's not bad. It's not bad. We got ourselves a interior Italian leather. Oh shit. So get in. We got ourselves some bill compartment.
You can't reach the pedal, man.
$5. Can I read the pedal? Reach the pedal? Of course I can reach the pedal, boys. Now watch this for baby purr. Ready? That's crazy.
Can't say that, bro.
Okay, so we got ourselves a good rating. We got a AM, Fin, SAT, Disc and Aux. What's up? Do a car review. Sorry, sir. Can I help you? Okay, go. Oh, this is the best part about the car. So, thanks YouTube for tuning in for my new car. Signing off.
Although, dude, has an engine
Peace
light
out.
on. What's the problem?
What?
What's the problem? Has the engine light on. Oh, okay, you're good. Never mind. I was just seeing shit.
Thanks YouTube. I'll see y'all later.